I'm Brody Pettit. You may already be aware that United Ag and Turf is now your official John Deere Golf Dealer. We are pleased to have this opportunity to support you with all your golf and sports turf equipment requirements.
And I'm Clint Tillison. United Ag and Turf has 48 locations across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and New Mexico. And we are extremely excited to be serving you.
At United Ag and Turf, we acknowledge that the golf industry is highly specialized and distinct from our ag or our construction sectors. Accordingly, we have assembled an experienced team dedicated exclusively to serving the golf and sport turf markets.
We also recognize that you have had several dealer changes over the last few years. So we're working extra hard to make sure you see some stability when it comes to your equipment needs. You'll hear our team say, "We're with you, we're united," and that is exactly what we mean.
At United Ag and Turf, we hold ourselves to high standards. Internally, we adhere to 4 core principles to ensure that every employee is aware of these expectations. The guiding values, trust, image, passion, and sense of urgency are simple, yet define both our culture and our approach to business.
United Ag and Turf operates golf locations in Navasota, Marble Falls near Austin, Farmers Branch in the DFW Metroplex, Abilene, and Bernalillo, New Mexico. Our teams are equipped to serve you effectively, and we will continually assess our locations to ensure they meet your needs, making adjustments as necessary. Above all, we are committed to supporting our customers in a variety of ways. At United Ag and Turf, our dedicated team delivers comprehensive solutions through resources such as traditional parts and service departments, centrally dispatched field technicians, machine monitoring services, precision technology specialists, and more.
We consider this opportunity a privilege and are committed to demonstrating our value as we seek to earn your business.
I'm Chad Mobley, and I'm excited to announce that United Golf is coming to serve you. We are proud to bring you a team of professionals representing John Deere Golf, a manufacturer unmatched in the industry, along with many other great specialty turf lines. As dealer principals of Austin Turf and Tractor for over 25 years, Harry and I look forward to bringing the same commitment to service to you as we expand our area of responsibility.
And I'm Harry Jukes. It's hard to believe, but when we started to put this video together, we realized that Chad and I have over 60 years combined in the John Deere Golf, Sports, and Specialty Turf business. We understand the importance of your equipment decisions, and we understand the impact of downtime on your business. We also know that golf is a relationship business based on trust. For those of you we already know, we are looking forward to rekindling some old relationships.
And we are looking forward to starting some new ones as well. With great brands like Bernhardt, Turf Go, Wiedemann Rhino, Progressive, Steel, and many others, we look forward to providing the products you want while creating an excellent buying experience. We also offer a used equipment refurbishment program if you're looking for budget-friendly options that look good and are dependable. Pair all of that with John Deere Financial, we can offer customized equipment solutions that meet your specific needs.
We are different. United Ag and Turf has a dedicated golf and sports turf division. We call it United Golf. Whether sales, service, parts, field service, or on-site reel grinding, we're here to support you. Our account managers and parts professionals are ready. Our factory-trained service technicians with state-of-the-art vehicles and the knowledge to diagnose and repair on-site are ready. We have a team that understands the importance of your equipment and the impact of downtime. If you are a current John Deere client, we will do our best to make sure that the transition is as seamless as possible. And regardless of the color of the equipment that you run now, we will look forward to earning your business. Our team is united, and we plan on bringing you our best-in-class customer support.
I'm Terry Harris. At United, we will bring a sales representative team to the area that will have access to years of equipment knowledge. They will be able to offer purchasing and lease options to be a partner with your organization. We understand the importance of reacting promptly, and you will be a phone call away from equipment demos, service, and parts help, and real-time answers to your needs. Our sales team will possess solutions for on-course problems and will reflect United's dedicated mission for top-level customer service. With technology changing quickly in our industry, we have employed a dedicated technological team to support these needs. We are excited to offer equipment tracking, diagnosis, course management, and a whole host of other tech to make your job easier through John Deere Golf's Pro Golf platform. We will partner with industry associations and be an active sponsor and serve as needed. We look forward to being part of the camaraderie and fellowship that these organizations bring to our industry. We are united in bringing you a first-class experience, and my team and I look forward to seeing you soon.